Hi all, welcome back to DS Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am here with a review of one of the Innisfree product. If you have not watched my Innisfree haul, I'll put the link somewhere here and also put the details. Today I'll be reviewing about the Innisfree Wine Jelly Sleeping Pack. This comes in this packaging. I like the packaging. It's dark. It's actually wine color. Is retail for 1100 rupees for 80 ml of product. As per the price, I think this is reasonable compared to the Body Shop sleeping mask. It has red wine extract in it with green complex. Wine is very good for anti-aging property, and it also actually helps your skin regenerate and renew. Helps in preserving the skin. The part out of this was the first time I used this product, and the next day I want to use it in the night. I just opened the box and I can see the product is like this, and I was like so surprised. I used it last day, but still it looks like unused, so that's a good thing. So whenever I try to stir this product and mix it and all, but it goes back to its original consistency like you've never used this. So that's the best thing. I like it. And coming to the consistency, it's actually puri-like consistency, if you know what I'm saying about. And this jelly-like consistency in this is useful for removing the dead skin away gently and lifting your skin and giving it good supple and soft skin. So it has water, like glycerin, squalane. Squalane is actually identical to skin. It is called a skin identical ingredient. It has a repairing property in it and moisturizing, so it repairs your skin when you apply it on the night. Throughout the night, it actually repairs your skin if you have any skin issues like dry patches, like if your skin is aging. Really good sleeping pack. As it says, it's a sleeping pack. You have to apply it as a last step of your regime. After toning and moisturizing, you have to apply this on top of it. What it does is it seals entire face, so whatever night cream you applied or whatever toner or serum you might have applied on your skin helps to penetrate it into your skin very well, and it has more benefits. Like I have noticed before using any sleeping mask, like if I use any cream, it actually takes a very, it slowly gives me the results of that cream. But from the day I started using a sleeping packs, I noticed a huge difference, because it does a huge difference to your skin. It makes sure that all your products, all your skincare, whatever you applied, goes into your skin and makes it visible. The results are visible sooner. And all I do is just take very little amount on my hand and then mix this, warm it up, and then apply it on my face and then massage it well. Now I have cleansed my face, apply the toner and a night cream on my skin. So what I do is I don't like to put my fingers in, but I will use a spatula which I have for another cream. So I take very little amount, this much, that goes throughout the face. I just warm it up on my palms and then apply it. So I give a light massage to my face. It's a little sticky when you apply it on your skin, but that goes off in some time. Skin starts regenerating now throughout the night, so that's how I apply. So throughout the night when you apply it, it promotes blood circulation, it makes your skin soft and smooth. I don't have any negative comment on this, except that it does not have any spatula. They didn't give any spatula, but apart from that, I actually find it very useful. You can use it 3 to 4 times a week. That's what I do, and you would really see good results in it. I would say this is a definite repurchase, and everyone have to try this, because it's not to any particular skin type. It is actually used for all type of skin. A firming effect on your skin, because that's what helps to seal everything, and then all the products start working on your skin. So that's all about the review today. And if you're new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me, and thank you all. Have a great day.